Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Shopify product variants for your store. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to the products section on the left-hand menu. Select the specific product you want to edit or click add product to create a new one. Scroll down to the variants section of the product page. If you are creating a new product, click on add variant. For existing products, click on Edit next to the variant you wish to enter the options for the variant, such as size, color, or material. You can add multiple options by clicking Add another option for each additional feature. Ensure that each combination of options is correctly represented by checking the box next to this product has multiple options. Fill in the pricing, SKU, and inventory details for each variant. Make sure to set the status of each variant to active so it appears in your store. To add images specific to each variant, scroll down to the Images section. Click on the Upload button next to each image and select the appropriate image for the variant. Use the variant-specific image options to ensure each variant displays its corresponding image. Once you've configured all the necessary details, double-check for accuracy. When everything is in order, click the Save button at the top right of the page. After saving, preview your product to confirm that the variants display is intended. Test the selection of different variants to ensure the functionality is seamless. If you encounter any issues, revisit the settings to make necessary adjustments. Your product variants are now configured and ready for customers to explore. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.